Hi friends, now I'm going to tell you how to add a product from CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify. Now it is a CJ Dropshipping site. You are going to select which product do you need. Now here are the different products. What you have to do, first you have to be sure which one do you need. Now I'm going to look at this product. Now I'm going to select this. I go inside. I've opened it. Now look, I have to check LED. Now here are the photos, everything you have to check. Now look, how does it work? It is a video. I think it's a perfect thing for your children. LED chalk table lamp, USB chargeable, dimmable desk lamp, plug in LED fan, light foldable, eye protection, reading night light. Now look, it costs 3.64 euro from China. Now the quantity is 1, weight is 520 gram, inventory now 13,869 products they have now Shopify product shipped to DE, it means Deutschland. CJ package sensitive available. The estimated processing time 1 to 3 days for 90% orders. Now estimated delivery time 7-13 days. Now shipping fee 9 euro. Now the shipping fee is very much. I'm going to check here if I can add something, another one. Now here you can see all the details. They are going to be expensive. Now the first one, this is a little bit cheaper, like okay, now I'm going to do. Now here you have to push it here, okay? You have to push it here. Now look, list. I'm going to click here, list it again. Okay. Now look, what does it mean? Product type or something you will have to say. Now which kind of product type? Now where do you want to use product type? It is like for home. You put it there, home. Okay, I have. Now here it means which category I'm going to control. Now look, it is for control plus pest. Okay, home and improvement. I will show you something like that. Now look, it means I can see it here. Home and improvement. Who can use this text like home, comma, kitchen, comma, office. Anywhere you can use. You have to put the text. Now look, you have to those were the products, variant, pricing. Now it is going to talk about the pricing. Now look, China warehouse, Germany, CJ, this is a shipping method. Now here you are going to see the price change. First, okay, recommended price. Now these are the product types. Look, something like this. It is a CJ price. The item cost 3.64 and shipping 9 it means 12.73. It is very useful. You can put individual prices like these are the colors. Now I have to put it, but what you have to do, you can put it here as well. Now look, at 12.13 you can put it 19.99 like this. 18.99 you can put it here. Now look, 18 point. But what I'm going to do is you can put it as well here like 18.99. I want to put this price. You have to put okay. It means it will go directly to all of them. What you have to do, the next one is go to images, videos. You have to check the images, videos. Now look, which videos do you like, which you don't want to like. Now you have to select it. Go all the videos are selected. Now these are the videos available only. Now you have to show these are the videos, everything is available, you can put them, you can, all of them are available. Okay, now here is a description. You have to read the description. If you want to put your own description, you can do it as well, but what you have to do, you have to read it completely, what it means, everything, the detail about this product like lamp beads, 40 pieces, USB charging version, modern and minimalist, pen holder, 2000 capacity, pen holder, 3200 capacity, fan something capacity. Now look, these are the capacities, these are the photos with description, you can check everything. Now look, okay, now everything is there. Look, the best thing, it will show the temperature, it will show the time, it will show everything. Now it is a perfect, it is a light, it's a USB, you can use it, it is the best product for your children. Okay, now when you have read everything completely, you're agree, then you have to go to list it. Now I have listed. Okay, it browse a little bit, but you have to wait. What you have to do, the next thing, now you can use it. Like before it is completed, I show you my Shopify store. It is my store, edit, like this is my store. Look, it is, I have designed my store like this. These are the new arrivals which are coming, like these are the products. I'm going to give you the complete information about this. You will like it, everything. If you go here, the pet supplies, you will put it here. You can browse all, you can contact me, you can everything. Now look, pet supplies, what do I have in pet supplies? I have these products in pet supplies. Now you can see, you can check. Now when you want to order, you have to select the one, which one do you need. Here we have the different colors of these. You can select the different colors, everything. Like, okay, like if you want to put it buy it for your kids. Now variant total 35, there is no difference, everything you can select. Now I'm going to like, okay, it was this, browse all. These are the products, different categories. Now I have listed this product, you have seen this is in home and improvement. Home and improvement, you are going to see, like I have these products. Go look, I have recently added this product. It shows like this on the website. You are going to check it. These are the details, these are the products, these are the photos, everything you can see. Like I have this perfect product for you guys, the people who drinks a lot, cola, Pepsi or something like this. Now they can use them. Okay, now these are my products on Shopify. It is my shop name, you can go and shop every time. Okay, these are the home and supply, like sport. Here's the sports category. I have in sports only, I have added this one. Like this you can add everything. I'm going to show you the correct way, I'm going to show you the best way how to add the product. Now I have added the product, I'm going to see. Now look, it has list successfully, view it in your store. Now if I put it here, if I click on that, it will bring me direct to the store. Now look, these are the products, it is active. Now everyone can see shop, points of sale, Amazon channel, CAD, Temu, anything. Okay, these are the product completely. Okay, I have seen. I have hair collections. Which collection do I need? Everything. Okay, so like this, from Friends, it was a complete listing a product from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Please visit my channel, be with me. I'm going to share some more videos with you guys. I hope you liked my video and share it with your friends, and comment please if you want any kind of information about Shopify, how to list a product completely step by step. I'm going to help you. Okay, be with me and wait for the more interesting videos about Shopify CJ Dropshipping. Wish you have a best day. Enjoy.